Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cybersecurity with Cloudflare, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve your cybersecurity with Cloudflare, begin by creating a Cloudflare account. Visit the Cloudflare website and click on the sign up button. Provide your email address and a secure password to register. Confirm your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, click on Add a Site to start the setup process. Enter your website's URL and click Add Site. Cloudflare will perform a quick scan of your DNS records. Choose a plan that suits your needs. The free plan offers basic features. After selecting a plan, Cloudflare will display your DNS records. Confirm that your DNS records are correct and click Continue. Now, change your domain's name servers to the ones provided by Cloudflare. Log into your domain registrar and update the name servers accordingly. It may take some time for the changes to propagate. Once your site is active on Cloudflare, navigate to the SSL/TLS settings. Select the full strict option to secure your connection. Next, go to the firewall section to set up security rules. Enable the web application firewall feature to protect against common threats. You can customize firewall rules tailored to your website's needs. Consider enabling bot management to filter out unwanted bot traffic. Next, check the security level setting. Adjust the security level to high to mitigate potential attacks. Now, navigate to the speed section to enhance site performance. Enable options like Auto Minify for CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Turn on Rocket Loader to improve loading times for JavaScript-heavy sites. Now, go to the caching section and adjust the cache settings. Set the cache level to standard for optimal performance. Lastly, monitor the analytics section regularly for potential threats. Use the insights gathered to adjust your security settings as needed. Follow these steps to effectively improve your cybersecurity with Cloudflare. Your website will be better protected against various online threats. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.